Quiz on medieval world from 500 AD to 1500 AD. Which city served as the capital of Byzantine Empire? Adrianople, Ankara, Constantinople, Nicomedia. The right answer is Constantinople. The medieval period started with the fall of which major European city? Rome, Paris, Constantinople, London. The right answer is Rome, who quickly became the dominant power in Europe when the medieval age began in 5th century. The Vikings, the Huns, the Catholic Church, the Islamic State. The right answer is the Catholic Church. What group conquered Constantinople in 1453? Bulgarians, Greco-Romans, Kievan-Runs, Ottomans. The right answer is Ottomans. The city of Constantinople is now called Athens, Byzantium, Istanbul, Sarajevo. The right answer is Istanbul. Needing to divide tertiary under their rule, kings would provide a lord with what? Fief, keep, maut, manor. The right answer is fief. Who proclaimed the first crusade? Alexios I Komnenos, Peter the Hermit, Pope Gregory VII, Pope Urban II. The right answer is Peter the Hermit. When did Europe capture Jerusalem? 1081, 1099, 1095, 1096. The right answer is 1095. When did Saladin capture Jerusalem? 1118, 1187, 1193, 1203. The right answer is 1187. What was the economic activity of Western Europe in the early Middle Ages? Commercial and urban, long distance trade, agriculture, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. The Black Death was caused by malnutrition, lack of vaccines, a disease spread by rats, wounds suffered during the 100 Years' War. The right answer is disease spread by rats. The capital of Umayyad dynasty was Baghdad, Cairo, Khusran, Damascus. The right answer is Damascus. The Ottoman dynasty fell in 1857, 1926, 1940, 1924. The right answer is 1924. The greatest Muslim art in which they have achieved incomparable success is paintings, architecture, calligraphy, none of this. The right answer is calligraphy. Umar Khayyam is known for his work. Shahnama, Siyasatnama, Rubaiyat, none of this. The right answer is Rubaiyat. Which group made up the largest part of the population in feudal society? vassals, peasants, knights, lords. The right answer is peasants. Under pressure from authorities in Makkah, Muhammad and his followers fled to Medina in 622. Muslims call this move the Hijra, the Umrah, Yathrib, the Hajj. The right answer is the Hijra. Richard the Lionheart was captured during his return from which crusade? First Crusade, Second Crusade, Third Crusade, Fourth Crusade. The right answer is Third Crusade. The Ming dynasty came about when? Kublai Khan invaded China, the Chinese economy revived, the Sung dynasty collapsed, the Mongols were pushed out of China. The right answer is the Mongols were pushed out of China. During the first 1900 years of its history, China was ruled by 4 edicts, rulers, dynasties, castes. The right answer is dynasties. Which of the following was not an important Chinese invention? Printing, magnetic compass, iron fluff, gunpowder. The right answer is iron fluff. To what member of the social class were the samurai loyal for life? Merchant, peasant, emperor, daimyo. The right answer is daimyo. When the shoguns took power in Japan, what did they do with the emperor? They killed the emperor, they allowed the emperor to make many decisions, they kept the emperor as a figurehead, they banished the emperor from Japan. The right answer is they kept the emperor as a figurehead. Kami in Shintoism are believed to be nature spirits, daimyo, samurai, temples. The right answer is nature spirits. Peasants in medieval Japan practiced a form of Buddhism known as Confucianism, Shinto, Hinduism, Zen. The right answer is Zen. If you like this video, then hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.